Hey everyone, it's Gina B here, and we're about to get into an express HIIT and tone workout. We're going to burn as many calories as we can in the shortest amount of time, just 12 minutes here. So guys, make sure you do a warm-up and a cool-down before and after this workout, because we're getting right into it. Now, if you like this workout, don't forget, subscribe to my channel, but for now, let's get right into it. All right guys, starting off with a fast walk. Getting right into it. You should have already done a warm-up, so you should be nice and ready for the workout ahead. Are you ready? Let's start off with our knee up. Here we go. Knee up, tap it back. Knee up, tap it back. Knee up, and push it down. Up, and push it down. That's it. Come on. Bounce. Come on, and push it out. Out of the side. Knee up, and tap it back. That's it. Keep that core strong. Now walk, walk, walk. Here we go. Walk, walk, walk. Take it back. That's it. It's like a power walk here, okay? Super fast. We're trying to keep our heart rate up. We've got here 3 minutes. Then we get a 1 minute break, okay? So promise, just power through. That's it. But who run the world? Girls, come on. Let's go. Walk, walk, walk. Take it back. That's it. All right, guys. 2 steps to the side. Here we go. 2 steps. And 2 steps. Now 1 step. 1, 2, 3. Let's punch it out. That's it. Punch. Now big arms here. That's it. Get that heart rate up by elevating those arms above your heart line. Make it big. And again. 2. That's it. Last one. Are you ready? Knees up. Here we go. Knees up. Take it back. Knees up. Take it back. Come on. Push it down. If you can, change that elevation by getting lower into that standing leg. Go. Other side. Knee up and down. Knee up, down. Knee up, down. That's it. Walk it forward. Take it back. I want you to punch it out. Punch it out as you walk. Come on. Give me that cardio. Give me those dance moves. Give me those toning moves all in one workout. And I'm a happy girl. Let's go. Side together, side together, side together. Push it up. Push, push. That's it. 2 steps. That's it. 2 steps. Now 1. Are you ready to go back into those knees? Here we go. Knee up, down. Knee up, down. Come on. Who runs it? Other side. Knee up, down. Knee up, down. No jumping here. Keeping that core strong. Go. Are you ready? Now let's punch it out. Punch, punch. Go, go. Now side, 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 side. Punch it out. Woo. To the other side. Here we go. Side. Getting some core work in. And punch, punch. Now walk it out. Here we go. Go, go, go. Take it back. And again. Go, go, go. Come on, a little bit more. All right, guys. Let's take it side together. Side together. That's it. All right, bring that heart rate down. We've got a minute here before we pick it back up. And we've got some new toning moves. Bring it back up to speed. All right, take a deep breath in. Out we go. That's it. Now side to side. Push it out. That's it. Just a nice, easy pace. All right. And walk it on the spot. Big breath in. And out. And side together, side together. And again, big breath in. And out. Side together. That's it. Nice, easy walk. Forward and back. Take it back. That's it. Just a little bit more. You won't believe how quick a minute goes, right? Okay. I can hear that downturn of the music. All right, guys. Are you ready? Let's pick it back up. Come on. Don't all night. The show goes on, right? Come on. Get those knees up again. Drive it up. All right. Get those knees up. Drive those elbows. Standing nice and tall. Are you ready? We're going to go into our skater move. In 5, 6, 7. So go side and tap back. Reach it up. Now if you can, keep your arms so you're moving across your body. You're going to get a much harder cardio rate burn this way. Push it in. Push it in. Reach. That's it. Really across your body. Come on. Join me. You've only got 12 minutes, I should say, here So I want you to see maximum effect. Here we go. Push it out. Walk it out. Now knees up. Knee up. That's it. Just adding that little extra knee is going to increase that intensity. Come on. Let's go diagonals. Diagonal. Take it forward now. That's it. And take it to the other diagonal. All right, give me one more forward. All right, here we go. Side to side. Side to side. Side to side. That's it. Push it out. All right, guys. Are you ready to go back into those skaters? Arms up. And out we go. Come on, push it out. Get low into that leg. Reach it up. Stand nice and tall with your body. But I want to see that tap back. I want to see you guys get low into those legs. Go. Make that stance nice and big. Woo! Especially having my arms up here, I feel that. My heart rate's going bang, bang, bang. Come on. And walk, walk, walk. All right, push it out. Take it up. That's it, add those arms in. We want maximum burn here. Come on, reach it out. Push it up. Side to side walk. And take it up. Up we go. Side. Take it up. That's it. Come on. Use that space. And walk it forward. Are you ready? Skaters, let's go. Up we go. Come on. You are so close to finishing this. Just keep it going. Big breaths with me. Think how good you're going to feel at the end of this. Woo! Come on. Go for it, guys. Strong arms. I don't want to feel like this. Strong arms. That's it. Do it. Come on. To the end, to the end. Go, 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 go. Get that heart rate up. Push it out. You got this. I promise you. Just 2 more. And walk, walk, walk. Oh. All right. Change of pace here. Well deserved. We only have one more fast 3-minute track. All right, guys. Keep on pushing. Keep on pushing through those hard times. Keep on pushing through the challenges. You know why? Because that's going to make you a stronger person, right? If you can handle the tough things, you can handle anything. That's what I always say. All right, guys. Just nice and easy. Big breath in here. Take it out. And walk it on the spot. And walk it forward. Take it back. A little bit of funk into it. Okay. All right, guys. All right, we're going to go into one more track. And it's a favorite of mine. I love Lady Gaga. Do you guys love Lady Gaga? I chose this song because you are on the edge of glory, right? Take it back. And, okay, there it is. I was waiting for it. All right, so one more fast and one more slow to get us going for the rest of the day. Your workout is done and dusted. Get those knees up. Come on, push it out. Go, 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 go. That's it. All right, let's take it to this side. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And take your arms up. Okay, remember we want to get that heart rate up as quickly as we can. We've only got 3 minutes to make it work. So, getting it above our heart line, you're going to see that increase in heart rate straight away. Keep it going. Up, up. All right. So we're going to do some knee repeaters. Are you ready? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. Go. Come on, you're on the edge of glory. You know why? You just have a little bit more to go. Stay low into that leg. Bring that knee to chest. Pull those arms in. And other side. Go. 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 Bring that knee into your chest. Stay low into that leg. Come on. Reach. 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 That's it. Keep it going. And walk it forward. That's it. Walk it forward, guys. Come on. Hold it there. And side, side, side. Walk, walk, walk. And side again. Are you ready? Let's go, let's go. Come on. Push it out. Woo. You got this. You know you do. It's in the bag. All right, to the side. Out we go. In. You are on the edge of glory. That's it. I won't sing anymore. And forward. That's it. I'm with you. Side together. And again, push it out. Pick it up. Now both arms up. Meet them together. And again. Meet them together. Out we go. Push your arms out. Push it out. Pick it up. And meet them together. Let's go to the end. Okay, come on. I want you to challenge yourselves to stay with me right to the end. Stay in that leg. All right, guys, let's switch it to the other side. Here we go. Go. The sweat is dripping. In just 12 minutes, there's a lot you can do, right? Go. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew. Well done, guys. All right, just before you cool down, let's bring our heart rate down together, okay? So that way we can have a little chit chat for a minute here. I want you guys to just take a step forward and walk it back. That's it. And again, I want you guys to acknowledge yourselves for showing up today and giving it your best, okay? Because sometimes I know it is so hard to fit in even just that quickest of workouts, but you did it. You did it with me. For 12 minutes, you busted it. You sweated out. And you guys need to acknowledge and celebrate all of your wins, right? All right, take a deep breath in. Big breath in. Here we go. Reach your arms up. And out. And again. Up. And out. Now don't forget, you need to do a cool down to stretch your body out, especially if this is the end of the workout day for you. Well done, guys. You guys smashed it. I know you did. You guys rocked it. That was another sweaty, awesome one, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. Now, don't forget, if you like this workout, subscribe to my channel. And guys, I love hearing from you and I love connecting with all of you. So if you want to know how you can do that, don't forget to check out all the links below in the description on how you can connect with me, my tribe, or join my free Year to Thrive challenge. I can't wait to see you for another sweaty workout another day. Bye for now.